National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for south central Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Warfordsburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warfordsburg around 6:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 70 for mile markers 165 to 168. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.